Here's how you buy a Treasury bill on Fidelity. Be sure to stay till the end as I will show you how to get a $100 bonus from Fidelity. Hey, Kind Juju Base here. I'm a US immigrant sharing tips living here in the USA. Let's get to it. First, let's get onto Fidelity's website. On the homepage, head up to where it says News and Research. Click on that and then click Fixed Income, Bonds and CDs. Okay, now on this page, you're going to want to scroll down a little bit and hit on New Issues. A little ways down, you will see Treasury. Click on the plus icon on the left to it. Now here you can see a list of treasuries being sold at the moment. A tip here on how to quickly identify which one is a treasury bill. If you see a 0 being listed as their coupon frequency, which is another name for interest rate, we can know that this is a T-bill. As explained in my previous video, T-bills have 0 interest rates. Why it is so? You can check it out here in my previous video. Click on the link in the description column to review the details of the treasury bill. This is where you can find out the CUSIP number of the T-bill. This is so that you can cross-check the T-bill seen on Fidelity with the T-bills from treasurydirect.gov. I do this to make sure that I'm buying the right T-bill that I want. Okay, anyways, back to the Fidelity page. To place a trade, simply click on Trade on the left. Quick pause here. Don't forget to stick to the end where I'll show you how to get a $100 bonus from Fidelity. Next, you will want to select an account which you want to buy T-bills in. You could buy them in your retirement account too, FYI. Next, specify the quantity of T-bills you would like to purchase. Do note that the value 1 here equals to $1,000 worth of T-bills. If you want to purchase $1,000, you put a 1 here and not 1,000. Okay, so be careful here. A mistake will be very costly. And here you have the option to auto roll, which tells Fidelity to automatically use the funds from your matured T-bills to buy new T-bills of similar type. Click on Preview Order. Here, go ahead and review the details of your order and make sure everything looks right. When you're done, hit on Place Order. And once you see this confirmation page, congratulations, you just bought yourself some T-bills. Okay, as promised, here are the details on the $100 bonus from Fidelity. Now this bonus is only currently ongoing for a limited time, so you will want to act fast on the information that I'm about to give you. If you see this video at a future date, this bonus may not be available anymore. So Fidelity is offering $100 for you to open a new investment account with them. You could create one to buy T-bills using the instructions I described earlier and also get that $100 bonus for free. Alright, here's how you do it. When you create any of these new Fidelity accounts, you will want to make sure you apply the promo code Fidelity100. See the website listed here for the types of investment accounts that apply for this bonus. I'll link the website in the description box below as well. After you open the account, you'll want to fund your account with at least $50 within the next 15 days. And once you do that, there you go, you get your free $100. You're welcome. Okay, treasury bills are not the only way to save money during times of high inflations like this. Watch this video to learn about other ways you can save money when the stock market is crashing. I'll see you in that video over there. Bye-bye.